Hello, and thank you for watching our on-demand video, focused on sharing how governments use DemandStar to modernize their procurement and reach more suppliers. Over the next 8 to 10 minutes, you'll see how government clerks, managers, and buyers publish bids on DemandStar, how they easily pull reports, and how you can allow suppliers to submit responses electronically, along with a number of other features to give you more time back during the day. When you log into a free DemandStar account, you'll be able to see a dashboard that looks just like this one from Walworth County, Wisconsin, where it'll show you how many solicitations your government has published during the past year, how many are open, and how many have been awarded. Now, let's pretend for a moment that you've just joined Walworth County and Jen White, the purchasing manager, has asked you to publish a solicitation. How would you go about by doing that on DemandStar? It is just 3 easy steps. Step 1 is to click on the button that says Add Bid on the top right-hand corner of your screen. Step 2, fill out your solicitation information as you scroll on down your screen. And then step 3, once you're done, press Finish and Broadcast, or go ahead and press Save and come back to it later. And once you've finished publishing a bid and would like to see what your advertisement looks like to the public, along with who it has reached, all you have to do is click on Bids at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll see at a glance all the projects your government agency has published over time, and by clicking on the name of any project, you'll be able to see the full details. This particular project is named Fire Protection Services, and it was put together by the buyer Vanessa Mann on March 11th, and it appears to be due on April 7th. Below is the information and the fields we would have filled out when putting the bid together, information about the scope of work, documents, as well as forms and specification sheets that Vanessa Mann has asked for interested businesses to review. And because Vanessa advertised this project on DemandStar, you'll see at the top of your screen that it went out to 300 individuals whose profiles match this very type of work. And if you're ever asked by a state or county commission to show the diversity as well as reach of your advertisement, all you have to do is click on the button that says Broadcast History. By clicking on this button, you'll be able to see the names of all the companies that you've reached, and if you press Export, you'll be able to export a file of not just the names, but the dates as well as self-declared attributes of those companies. Many governments who are asked by their county or state commission to do a diversity study or audit on their procurement found this to be very, very helpful. To help you save even more time, DemandStar features a level of reporting to help all the government buyers out there today who are still keeping records on a clipboard. And we help by automatically tracking who downloads your plans, forms, and documents. Therefore, whenever you have an updated addendum to a project, all you have to do is upload it to DemandStar, and all the plan holders will get an alert of your addendum. Again, so many government buyers we meet still track their plan holders list manually on a clipboard, and we hope this alleviates you from having to do that task. An additional feature in DemandStar that you may opt to use is electronic bidding. This means you can allow suppliers to submit their responses to you through DemandStar. If you decide to use this feature, All you have to do when you're ready to review the electronic proposals that were turned in is to click on your projects that are past the due date. And then click on a tab that says eBid Responses. There, you'll see a list of all the companies that have responded to your project, along with timestamps of when they submitted their proposal. You'll see to the right all the required forms which you've asked for, and to open up the vendor's responses, simply click on Download Package, and you and your team will be able to review the proposals that have been turned on in. Provided as well as a part of the eBid responses is a tabulation sheet, where you'll have at your fingertips a summary of all the vendors, bid amounts, and status of the required documents that you've requested. And the final feature in our video today is an automatic URL you can give to businesses interested working with you, or you can place this URL on your website. The choice is yours. To access your personalized URL, click on your name, click on Agency Page Settings, and copy the agency page URL. Anyone who clicks on this link will be taken to a page that gives them transparency and visibility into your advertised projects. And that will look just like this. Again, you're welcome to use this link on your site or email this link to vendors for them to save. Thank you everyone for watching our video, and we look forward to building communities together with you.